To create your first chart, navigate to the ribbon and select the chart type. For this example, we'll create a vertical waterfall chart. When the chart wizard appears, click Next to begin. You can create a chart using data from either Excel cells or a pivot table. For this demonstration, we'll keep the Excel cells option selected and click Next. Now, you need to select the data range for your chart. Click the green plus icon to select the range in your spreadsheet. After selecting your range, choose a formatting scenario to style your chart. You can modify these scenarios to fit your specific needs, which we'll cover in a future tutorial. For now, choose AC for Actuals and click Next. On the next screen, you can select the range for your category labels. To do this, click the checkbox to enable the option and then select the range containing your categories, just as you did for the numerical data. When you're finished, click Next. Depending on the chart type, the following screens may present additional settings. For this case, we can simply click Next to proceed. On the final screen, select the destination cell where you want to place your chart. Once you've selected a cell, click Create, and the chart will appear on your sheet. When creating a chart from Excel cells, you have the flexibility to combine multiple non-adjacent ranges into a single chart. These ranges can even be located on different sheets within the same workbook, which is particularly useful for advanced applications like financial modeling. To do this, simply check the required checkboxes to add more data ranges and select them one by one. Next, you'll need to choose a formatting scenario for each individual range. This allows you to visually distinguish between different types of data on the same chart, such as plotting actual and forecast data with different styles. You can select multiple ranges not only for your numerical data, but for your category labels as well. Once you have finished configuring your ranges and formatting, select a destination cell and click Create to generate your chart. A unique feature of XLBuddy is the ability to create charts directly from pivot tables. This allows you to pull data from any external source and then visualize it. To create a chart this way, launch the wizard and select Pivot Table as your data source. You'll then need to select the specific pivot table by its name. Once selected, you can choose which data field to plot on your chart. You need to choose a formatting scenario. You also have options to include category labels, plot the grand total, or use the Smart Sort feature. Smart Sort automatically organizes the data from your pivot table and plots subtotals in the end of each section, which is very useful for waterfall charts. When you're done, select a destination cell and create your chart. The resulting chart is fully dynamic and updates automatically based on the source pivot table. If you collapse or expand rows, filter data, or change value fields, your chart will instantly update and resize accordingly. XLBuddy offers a wide variety of chart types, suitable for many different purposes. We encourage you to explore all the options and discover for yourself how easy it is to create insightful, professional-looking charts.